Hi everyone. Opera can show two websites side by side without making you resize separate browser windows manually. The split screen feature lets you combine two open tabs in the same window, making it useful for comparing products, reading while watching a video, checking information between two websites, or working with two pages at the same time. First, open Opera on your computer. Next, open the two websites you want to use together in separate tabs. Then, click and drag one of the tabs downward into the web page area. Next, choose the second tab you want to open beside it. Opera will place both websites next to each other inside the same browser window. Then, drag the divider between the two pages to give one side more or less space. Finally, when you are finished, use the split screen controls to separate the tabs and return them to normal. That's it. A useful Opera feature that lets you view and use two websites side by side without managing multiple windows.